given the question, write the following set in set builder notation. So if we're going to write this in set builder notation, we need to find to check whether this set has a common difference. So check here the difference here between 7 and 4 is a 3. The difference there is 10 minus 7, that is 3. 13 minus, that is 3. 16 minus 13, 3. 17 minus 16, 3. 22 minus 19, that is 3. So we have seen that there is a common difference of 3. I'm going to call this one D. The common difference is 3. Since we have a common difference, this is an AP, arithmetic progression. Since you are dealing with that arithmetic progression, this means that any term is given by the formula, nth term is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 times D, which is the common difference. This is equal to, now A is the first term. You get the first term from the set there, so that is going to be F4 plus, that is n minus 1. The common difference is a 3. This makes this to be a 4 plus, that is times 3, that is going to be 3n minus a 3. Since we're multiplying this 3 times everything inside, this gives us a 4 minus 3 plus 3n, and this is going to be a 1 plus 3n. That is going to be the formula that will work for any n term. So if we're looking for the first term, this is n equal to 1. When you substitute 1 here, this is going to be 3 plus 1 gives us a 4. Go to the next term, which is n equal to 2. When you substitute 2 here, this is going to be 2 times 3, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7. You get that. Go to the next term, which is the third one now. So you're substituting a 3 here times 3, that is going to be 9. 9 plus 1, that is 10. You're going to be getting all these numbers when you continue that way. So this is n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you substitute a 7 here, that is going to be 21. 21 plus 1, that is going to be 22. That is going to be that number there. So therefore, if we're going to write this in set builder notation, this is going to be A. This is A is equal to x is such that x is equal to the formula, which is 1 plus 3n. Now this n is supposed to be from the set of natural numbers. That's the way we're supposed to do it.